It has never been easier to create wealth as an entrepreneur than it is right now. And if you are a conscious entrepreneur, a change maker, somebody who is deeply spiritual and wants to make a positive difference in the world, then your time is now. I firmly believe that conscious entrepreneurs are the future of our world and of humanity. We are in incredibly transformational times right now. Things are changing super, super fast. And if that is who you are, if you are a conscious entrepreneur, then you are the future of humanity and of our world. And there is an incredible opportunity that is happening right now. And it has never been easier for you to create wealth, making a difference, and creating a profitable business that feeds your soul. Something that is really amplifying and accelerating and contributing to this incredible opportunity is artificial intelligence, or AI. And while there are some out there who are refusing to embrace AI because they're scared of it, those who are now embracing this incredible development that has the ability to accelerate and amplify the contribution that you want to make in the world, they are the future, and they will actually be streets ahead of everybody else. You either evolve and adapt to AI, or you will die in the background, because everybody else will be streets ahead of you. I do not have a crystal ball. I do not know where this AI evolution is going. But what I can say is that there is a potential for AI to contribute to an incredibly positive future for humanity. And that is the spirit with which I am embracing this incredibly powerful technology. So how could you potentially use artificial intelligence to help to amplify and accelerate your progress? You could use it for just about anything. Now, whilst I said it's never been easier to build wealth as an entrepreneur, that doesn't mean that it's necessarily going to be easy. Do not underestimate the challenges that you are going to face along the way. And if you're not experienced as an entrepreneur and you don't know the landscape, then you better get your mind switched on, because you are going to absolutely have to experience an incredible learning curve to become a highly profitable entrepreneur. But it is worth the journey. Fall in love with the journey. It's going to have its ups and downs. It will be messy AF, but just embrace it. But hold it with both, take a hold of it with both hands and run with it. So what is it that you want to create in the world? What difference do you want to make? What problem do you want to solve? What solution are you uniquely equipped to be able to solve for people? Because remember, and I've said this previously in the series, that entrepreneurs solve problems for a profit. So identify the problem that you are equipped to solve with your superpowers, your gifts, your talents, your knowledge, your experience, your expertise, your unconscious competence. And then how do you deliver that to the world, to a hungry audience that are willing to throw their credit cards at your face because they know that you have the solution to the problem and you can ease their pain? That is what entrepreneurship is. AI is going to be your best friend. So start to look at AI courses. Start to explore AI for yourself. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that you can watch all about artificial intelligence and AI and the different AI programs out there that you can use to be able to really get so much more done. That's what I love about AI, is I can actually achieve 10 times more than I could before simply using artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is one of my favorite go-tos. So start to explore something like ChatGPT. You can start an account for free and just start playing around with it. Get onto YouTube, have a look at the different videos that talk about artificial intelligence and how you can use it to amplify and accelerate your journey. Now, if you are ready to take this incredibly rewarding and yet sometimes challenging journey to becoming a highly wealthy and profitable entrepreneur, then why not explore my new coaching program? Thrive is a 6-week coaching intensive where I work with you to get crystal clear on your vision for your future, help you to build an unstoppable mindset and clear those fears, doubts, blocks, and limiting beliefs that are keeping you stuck, Create and execute a strategic action plan that leverages your unique gifts, talents, and superpowers so you are empowered to build wealth through a business that feeds your soul and makes a positive difference in the world. Thrive is unlike any other coaching program you have ever experienced because it goes beyond healing to real world results. So if you're ready for that kind of transformation fast, then you will find the link to Thrive in the description below. You can go and check it out after this video. I hope to see you in the Thrive program. If you have found value in this video, then do me a favor and show me some love. Like and subscribe, comment below, let me know how this landed for you. If you've missed any of the videos in the series, you can check them out in this playlist here. And this video right here, this is really powerful. It's going to help you to really tap into your subconscious blocks that are stopping you from moving forward and taking the actions that you need to take. You can check that out right here. I look forward to seeing you in the next video tomorrow.